How to create Wix website and earn money. For many writers, creating a blog is a matter of passion. The opportunity to share interests, knowledge, and ideas with people from all over the world is a beautiful way to build connections across communities. In addition, a blog helps improve websites, SEO, and sustainably strengthens the online presence of personal brands, business, and other organizations. But as many of us have learned, passion alone does not pay the rent. On top of that, the responsibilities involved in operating a great blog are highly time consuming, writing posts frequently, creating promotional campaigns, sending emails to subscribers, engaging with readers, and more. This is a serious commitment that sometimes results in little payoff. The good news that it does not have to be this way. There are multiple avenues for bloggers to earn money from their work. In the article, we'll discuss what it takes to build a strong blog that grabs the attention of your audience and puts you on the path to success. Then we'll dive into how to monetize a blog from writing sponsored and affiliated content to selling merchandise and digital goods. The fundamental of blogging. Before you learn how to monetize a blog, you'll need to grow your audience by building a foundation of powerful content. This requires fulfilling the five key principles of blogging. Know your niche. As you set to start a blog, you will need to define its focus and a clear target audience. Rather than writing about anything that comes to mind, you will need to create a specific type of blog with a strong centralized focus. Use your blog to build your expertise in a particular area and to fulfill the specific needs of your readers. Deliver quality content. While the quantity of your blog post is important, the quality is even more so. Aim to publish posts consistently, but don't tell that limit your ability to create through well researched content. After all, your goal is for readers to enjoy your articles and come back for more. Offer value. Just as very business must offer value to its audience to success, so does a successful blog. People read articles in order to address a need, whether it is to learn something new or find a solution to their problem, and your job is to specify it. Go beyond cookie cutter content and aim to write posts that stand out with original insights and genuinely helpful information. Drive engagement. Your blogging should not only satisfy readers but it should also make them hungry for more. Post creative forms of content such as videos and quizzes and add a forum to build a sense of community around your personal brand. The more you engage your readers and the more successful you'll be at monetizing your blog down the road. Establish your authority. If you are known expert in your field, people will want to read your work. Spread the word about your expertise by building your presence across other online platforms. Guest post on company blogs and other online publications. Publish articles on sites such as Muslim and LinkedIn and build a strong social media following. These strategies will help you cement your reputation as a thought leader as well as drive additional traffic to your blog. Once you have successfully fulfilled these five blogging basics, you will have powerful content and a dedicated audience. Armed with these two ingredients, you will be well equipped to start monetizing your blog. How to monetizing a blog? Offer paid membership plans, become a freelance pro blogger, make money from online ads, become an affiliate marketer, write sponsored posts, get sponsored by a brand, ask for donations, sell a book, sell online courses, start a podcast, create a webinar, host a virtual summit, offer coaching or consulting services, sell merchandise, continuously promote your blog. Offer paid membership plans. Your blog posts offer more than just an opinion. They are a combination of your experience, expertise, and unique perspective. People want to read them because they offer special value, whether it's professional advice, life hacking tips, personal improvement, or any type of training. While most of your course should be free and readily available, consider creating a pricing plan in which you set aside exclusive content for paying members. The persuade your readers that is premium content is worth paying for. Keep some parts available for free viewing. You can use these free samples as a way to competitive your audiences and get them hooked on your blog. In order to keep your publication balanced, indicate in your content calendar which post you would like to reserve as premium and watch which one will be available to all readers.